Welcome! If you've ever wanted to find all the posts you've liked on Instagram by a specific date using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, organizing your liked posts and tracking them down by the exact date you interacted with them is now easier than ever. Let's walk through the step-by-step process together. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal activity. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the menu icon to expand your choices. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your Instagram activity. Next, from the expanded menu, find and select your activity. This section is your personal hub for everything you've done on Instagram, from comments to searches and yes, your likes. Inside the Your Activity section, look for the Interactions area. Here, you'll see an option called Likes. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, you'll see a list of all the posts you've liked in the past. But we're not done yet. To sort your liked posts by date, find the Sort and Filter button at the top of the list. Click on it, and you'll see options to choose a specific date range. Select the start and end dates for when you want to see your liked posts. This is perfect if you're searching for something you liked last week, last month, or even last year. Once you've chosen your dates, simply click Apply. Instagram will now filter your liked posts, showing you only those that match your selected time frame. Scroll through and find exactly what you're looking for, all neatly organized by date. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily find all your liked posts by date on Instagram using your PC. This updated feature makes it simple to revisit your favorite content whenever you want. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.